Welcome back to Elevate with Enbody. This week, we're going to go over some specifics about Facebook and Instagram and how it can help you guys build your business. So I don't care if you're a mortgage professional or real estate professional, if you cut grass, whatever you do, I don't care. This stuff is going to help you build your business, build your brand specifically. So because we're in the mortgage industry and the real estate industry, we're going to focus a little bit more on that. But what I want to do right now is just say, once again, thank you guys for all listening or watching, and hopefully I can bring you some huge value. So today we're going to dig deep. We're going to nerd out a little bit about Facebook and Instagram and some of those strategies that can help you guys start to build your business right now. So what I want to do right now is I want to understand if you're using Facebook or Instagram, how are you using it? Personal, professional, both. These platforms are special. They can really help you guys grow your business. So what I want you to do is take a look at the fact that Facebook has over 262 million users right now. 262 million. That's huge. And Instagram is trailing right now, I believe, about 171 million. So right now we're looking at over 330 total million people combined by the year 2028 that are using these two platforms. Period. These numbers show how much of an opportunity you guys have to build your brand and hopefully get more referrals and build your business. The key to this is consistent engagement with people and tell your story. And so here's some actionable steps for you guys. Posting 3 to 4 times a day. Focus on 3 main topics, 3 main posts: educational content, tips, market advice, if anything that's going on right now in the industry as far as an update. You can share your wins. You educate your clients. The engagement part of this is going to be crucial. Ask questions, do polls, start conversations. What I want you guys really to focus on right now, though, is how are you planning on communicating with your clients? So if we take a look at what you guys do today, so you come into the office and you're working every day and you're trying to do whatever you're going to do, right? Real estate, mortgage professional, it doesn't matter. What is your mode to pick up clients? What is your mode once you have a client to stay in contact with them? How are you guys building your brand currently? Do you just come into the office and have a conversation? I was talking to my marketing assistant earlier, Chaz, and one of the things that he mentioned is like, do people just come in and they look for layups? If they get a layup, they win today. What are you guys doing to build your brand and build your business? That's what we're going to focus on specifically on this podcast, guys. So I encourage you all, stay tuned. So right now, let's get back into it. Facebook, Instagram. Short reels, clips, more views, engagements than photos. So you got to use the video. Don't just take clips and posts. You can blend them all together. You got to post all the time. Don't just post and then walk away, then come back and go, hey, why isn't anybody watching my stuff? Why isn't anybody giving me any kind of feedback? One of the things that I run into often, so I'll use myself as an example all the time, so that way I fall on the sword. One of the things that I'm challenged with all the time, so I'm pointing the finger at myself. If you guys are listening, I'm doing this. If you guys are watching, you see it. One of my challenges that I run into is, how do I look on camera? How do I sound on camera? How do I sound on video? These things drive me nuts. And the fact is, nobody cares. Nobody cares. They care about how you interact. One of the things that we're going to talk about in other episodes, I'll bring up a little bit right now, is being your authentic self. Facebook and Instagram wants you to be authentic. They want you to be real. They don't want you to showboat. They want you to be true to your community. And that's a way that I believe you guys could all elevate. So you want comments, you want shares, you want to build credibility. You want to have actionable takeaways. You want to do different plans and posts ahead of time. You want to be consistent. You want to watch other people's posts and get ideas from them. There's nothing wrong with seeing somebody else's post and going, you know what? Man, I really like that guy, that lady, they got it going on. One of the things that Chaz and I are doing all the time is we're constantly researching other people, going, man, look at how many people are interacting. Look at the comments. And I might do a post over here. I'm like, I felt like I had a good message, but they clicked off my message after 3-4 seconds. So with Facebook and Instagram, and along with all the other ones we'll talk about later, the hook is key. So if you don't understand the strategy of a hook, we're going to dig a little bit deeper than that today, but even more tomorrow. Over the time, what this is going to do as you guys continue to put these posts up, 1, 2, 10, 20, 30 posts, as these things are starting to you're building a really good algorithm and you're starting to get some impactful things for social media. If it's in your community, if it's a forum, action items, if you partner up with another realtor or business partner of some sort to do some kind of shout out, video is by far, I would say, the top. So, which would make sense because Here's a quick stat for you. YouTube, 85% of all people that have social media are on YouTube. 85%, guys. That's stupid. That's huge. So with Elevate With Enbody, we're going to start digging into these a little bit deeper. So what I want to share with you guys today specifically is how you guys can push this engagement. Remember, we're building long-term influence, not chasing a quick win. So here's a quick 7-day challenge for you guys. I want you to post 3 to 5 times per day for 7 days. Create a positive habit. If you're already doing this, guys, give me a shout out below and say, hey, Tim, I'm doing this stuff right now and it's working or it's not working. But if you're not doing it, please try it. Remember, this works for any business. I can't stress that enough. If you found this to be valuable, please do me a favor, subscribe, share, leave some kind of comment. Once again, those comments help me to give us insight of what we can research for you guys. But once again, this is all part of us trying to give back. Also, check out a few of the other episodes we have coming up. We're going to have some more tips to help grow your business and your brand. Remember, until then, keep elevating your business and your brand. Oh, by the way, I have 2 things. One, here's a quick takeaway. I'm going to put something down in the bottom, again, on my LinkedIn page. So go to LinkedIn, Tim Enbody. We're going to give you a little platform playbook, if you will, with a couple of these strategies and these insights. Remember, I talked about nerding out, 330 million. Well, tomorrow's episode, I'm going to go a little bit deeper. We're going to talk about some of the other statistics, and that playbook's going to have all that data there for you guys. It gives you the insights, the ideas, 3 to 5 posts a day, what you can do to build your business. But some of the stats that I mentioned briefly today, and I'll mention in the next episode, these are key. So on the next episode, what are we going to talk about? We're going to dig a little bit deeper on YouTube. We're going to talk about LinkedIn a little bit more. We're going to talk about Pinterest. We're going to talk about X. We're going to talk about some of the different things you can do with Snapchat and TikTok. These are going to be things that you guys can do right now to build your business and build your brand. Thanks so much, guys. I hope to talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye.